Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I just want to quickly show you how you can combine multiple Word documents into one single document. Okay, so if you look here on this in this folder, you're going to see multiple documents. All right, so I want to combine all these documents into one single, all of them into one single Word document. All right. Okay, so the first document here is this yeah, I think week 1 here. So this is what it contains, and then the second one also is here. So this is just what they contain from week 1 to week 9. So this is the lesson plan. Okay, so I'm just going to close them. All right, and then minimize this, and then you're going to open a new document. All right, so when you open a new document, I already have a knowledge of the page layout of the document that I want to open. So just to make it easy for me, I'm just going to set this as at narrow. Okay, so to bring in all those documents into single document, so I'm going to go to insert, go to object, from there text file. Okay, so obviously before you do that, you're going to put all the documents inside one single folder. It will be easy for you that way. All right, good. So just select everything, select everything here, and then insert, click on insert, and then everything in those different documents will come into one single document, which we have here. So if there's any editing you may do, typesetting, you can do that, and you're going to have yourself one single document. Okay, so you can go ahead to save this, and then you have yourself a combined document from different sources, and that's how you can do that. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.